Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have a VEVOR Ultrasonic Mist Maker and kind of give you a quick view of the directions. It's very easy to set up. So basically this is it in its entirety. So you have two buoys on either side. Sorry, it's a little wet because I was just trying it out. So basically 4 screws to attach it to the buoys. You have a cap on the end of each buoy. So you can actually add some water. So if you needed to drop it below a certain level, you can. For me, it worked out perfect in my fish tank. This is the level of water that you want it to kind of come right up to the bottom of that little ball thing that's there. So you want all these misters basically covered. And I just simply slip it into my fish tank. And you get a really long cord on this thing. So I kind of put it under there. And I'm just using this wire tie as kind of like an a tie down to hold it kind of close to the edge of the aquarium. So this is the power pack that attaches to it. It has a watertight connection here on this end. And I mean, you have like a super long cord on this thing. So let's plug it in, see how it works. So, I mean, that is absolutely awesome. The mist is crazy. It is splashing out a little bit, so I could probably add some water to the buoys, submerge that a little bit more, and push it back. But, I mean, look at the amount of mist that this thing creates. It's absolutely crazy. Talk about, like, for some special effects that you could use this for like a reptile tank, or like, for my case, I'm using it on my aquarium, and it's like making a waterfall of mist. It's wild. So I can like even mount that a little bit further back, but just to kind of give you an idea how absolutely awesome and beautiful that is. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.